These are the flowers of that reddish yellow beard grass, that is Chrysopogon fulvus. Yes, Chrysopogon is a species that genus that I have taken a liking for. All of them are colorful and very useful also. They are used for fodder and then for regreening. Then I think famine food also probably. And most important member of this genus is that vetiver. So all have colorful flowers like this. It can be grown very nicely in a pot. If it is grazed, it takes a kind of compacted position. Otherwise, it looks like this. It takes a round formation. All this can be trimmed and fed to cows. This portion. All these, they are quite nutritious and tasty for the cows. So that is one use. And the potted plant also, it's very nice for a little bit advanced gardeners, because it's a bit difficult. Other beginners and all don't find all this interesting. So new shoots are emerging like this on top vertically. Old ones are in the rain, it has kind of slept off like this sideways. And then all the flowers got a little bit bunched up. So if it's in a rocky place and hanging and all, it will hang downwards like this, like that. So if it is in a slopy place and all, it will hang downwards. In other places, it will just stand up like that. And if cows have been eating, it looks quite different. So this is the Chrysopogon fulvus.